Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Uluthi bafethu uthi uInacho Miguel uzodlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uyi-best defender for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Angazi-ke bafethu ukuthi nibonani noma nithini kule comment lena, because of uluthi lo i-opinion yakhe ufila ngathi uInacho Miguel i-best defender laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Compared to the players like uMcCarthy, uKwinika, uDotley, uMsimang, yiwo ama-defenders we-Kaizer Chiefs. La i-comment ithi-ke unumber one defender e-Kaizer Chiefs Inacho Miguel. I don't know how to feel about this comment or what to say, but for me, mengibheka uInacho Miguel igame yakhe, I'm not gonna criticize him much, but ziningi izinto uInacho Miguel okumele afunde bafethu in terms of ukudefend. Intelligence kumele abe nayo. Ususpended, unama-yellow card awu-4 already. U-receiver ama-yellow card unnecessary, ngeke ngayisho lento le mengikhuluma ngaye. Kuma-position la there's no danger at all. Ngcono kuthiwa i-final third la ubona khona ukuthi i-team seyizokora, but no, yena uthola ama-yellow card away from ilokhunjana bafethu 18 area, away uzobambana nama-player. But in terms of like playing the ball from the back, ey'nyaweni, u-comfortable ey'nyaweni, is able to drive forward kancane, akwazi ukushaya lawo ma-passes lawo. The aggression, unayo aggression part, so I think ama-qualities wakhe ugood ey'nyaweni. Sense of aggression, the aggression that I've seen, mangimbukele unawo ama-moments wakhe la akwaziyo ngempela ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs, especially laphana when they are exposed. La last minute sobona ngathi i-team maybe kuzoba dangerous, uyakwazi ukuclear amabhola abe aggressive, akwazi ukuyisiza i-team. Uyafuna ukuyilwela i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu, hhayi kancane. So he has the heart to play, but-ke what I'm questioning mina i-intelligence yakhe in terms of ukurida igame kahle, ayibheke and abone ukuthi okay, la kumelanga ngenze i-tackle, la kumele ngimguide nje umuntu, akumelanga ngivele ngishaye i-tackle or ngimuyise phansi or ngimdonse, yabo. So izinto nje ey'ncane, izinto nje mawubheka kumuntu, mawubheka ama-qualities wakhe wonke. For me, the best defender ku-Kaizer Chiefs obviously uDotley, but ulimele uDotley. That is why kuBafana Bafana. Mina ama-matches awadlalile, i-contribution yakhe. uGiven Msimang nawo unamaphutha wakhe in terms of ukurida igame. Well, mangimbheka uGiven Msimang, well, is good in terms of ukudlala. Okay, I think ama-modern defenders bafethu inkinga. Mina ngine-problem nama-modern defenders. I-defender elingana-aggression but elikwazi ukudlala kuphela. Cause mawubheka, I think uKwinika is better than uInacho Miguel, because uKwinika is just a defender. Ugood ngokudefenda ne-aggression layer, even noma maka if he goes all out. I think futhi i-awareness yakhe improvile. I remember this game against Orlando Pirates last season, kula i-career yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs yachange khona. Without leya game leya ngabe uKwinika kasekho ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngabe wahamba, but leya game leya yachange everything. I-first Soweto derby le beyidlalelwa laphana e-FNB, and then i-second Soweto derby le yadlalelwa laphana ku-final yaku-Nedbank Cup. You could see ukuthi man, i-maturity khona, the way yenza ngakhona izinto. I remember like ama-fan bewangamfuni uKwinika bafethu at all. Naye funny enough, upostile utheni, I wanna check lento le ayipostile fast ukuthi utheni, in terms of like i-relationship yakhe nama-fans or abanye abantu aba-around yena ukuthi bamphathe kanjani. Nayi i-quote yakhe, awu-quote straight sengiyitholile. Uthi basasmayila nabantu abasho izinto ezibhedi. Uthi we still smiling with some of you all, even after all the bad things you've said about us. It's called emotional intelligence. Kusho ukuthi-ke basasmayila. Ama-fans bewam-attack-a lo muntu lo, but-ke ama-fans I think at the time bawane-right kum-attack-a because of he was still green in terms of like defending. Bekuba ama-fans bawa-nervous mawambona uKwinika laphana e-defender for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but uyi-improve kakhulu, to be honest, has really improved. I think intelligence yakhe in terms of reading of the game, and then uyeseka-understand kangconywana ukuthi i-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingakanani, nanokuthi kumele adile kanjani nezinye izinto. Yena as i-defender, yeah, okay, yeah, there's something I'm seeing la, because I watch, ngiyaba-analyze uKwinika. uKwinika naye i-problem yakhe, so 1-on-1 uKwinika is easily beatable 1-on-1. Even namanje ku-continental level ngibonile bambitha kalula, but-ke i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs so ugudi manizokhompithela ibhola lese lize emoyeni, lapho ngeke umbhithe-ke uKwinika. If like I think mayengakuyeka uKwinika ujike, and then that's where he is exposed. But maningalanda ibhola noba u-2 nilwela ibhola, lapho kuzokubhitha because une-aggression, unomzimba. Leyo nto le iyamsebenzela. But once umuntu wathena nebhola, kuba nzima for uKwinika ukuthi akwazi ukuliwina lelo bhola lelo. So i-real balls uyawawina, la nibe noba u-2 nikhompithela ibhola uyaliwina, even if lisey'nyaweni zakho, but-ke when it's just around you kuba nzima ukuthi umbhithe. But once iplayer lajika, kuba nzima for uKwinika. uMcCarthy, I think the most intelligent defender ku-Kaizer Chiefs at the moment uMcCarthy. Mncane, uyakwazi ukurida igame kahle, and aka-concede ama-fouls unnecessary yena. Uyakwazi, uhlakaniphe kakhulu umfana bafowethu. Beyond iminyaka yakhe, kuyasho ukuthi he was learning laphana njengoba behleli part of i-team i-Kaizer Chiefs, but engadlali. Uhlale for 4 years or so engadlali at all, but-ke he was there. Bekadlala laphana ku-DDC team, bambize ku-first team, baphinde bangambizi futhi, but-ke you could see ukuthi he evolved and he got better and greater. Kunama-moments la thola ukuthi bafaka ibhola, uthola ukuthi akanayo lowo pace leyo, but is able to read ibhola kahle, akwazi ukugayida iplayer, hhayi ukuthi avele a-commit i-foul ngoba ubona ngathi iplayer lizoba dangerous. No, unayo leyo intelligence leyo. I mean, I wanna see them bonke bowu-5, because at the moment bawu-3 kuphela, i-competition ayikho tough. I wanna see ulo Msimango mebuya ukuthi uzodlala kanjani, i-contribution yakhe izoba kangakanani laphana ku-defense, because mawubheka u-Inacio Miguel lo uLuthi, uthi uLuthi u-Inacio Miguel i-best defender le-Kaizer Chiefs. I think even nabo-coach baprefer u-Inacio Miguel than amanye ama-defenders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Whenever u-Inacio Miguel e-right, suspension, engalimelanga, kungasi-nix, uyadlala, is always preferred. It's very rare ubona u-Inacio Miguel ebhenjini bafowethu. May-right, everything nje everything in order, awuyadlala. So according to vele nabo coaches be-Kaizer Chiefs babona u-Inacio Miguel as i-defender eli-right laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, eli-well equipped ukuthi li-lead laphana from the back. And sikhumbula ukuthi for some time u-Inacio Miguel bekayi-captain ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Well, I don't know ukuthi kwenzakaleni manje. Kune-confusion because of ku-draw ye-CAF uye behamba ne-technical team la kumele kube i-captain, kusho ukuthi uye bekalapha. Maybe according to i-technical team, i-captain uPeterson, and then according to i-management, bona-ke banama-leaders are different ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Inacio Miguel is one of those leaders for i-technical team. Yeah, angazi, but for mina I would say the best one njengoba bengishilo in terms of intelligence uMcCarthy, in terms of just overall i-defender el-best ku-Kaizer Chiefs uDudlu, number 1 undisputed. uKwinika unama-advantages wakhe or ama-strong points nama-few la kumele a-improve khona, cause once la hlala phansi ibhola bambheka bamfeyisa, kumele a-commit i-foul cause bayambhitha. Ngibone nala le game le bayidlala, I think ku-right back, angazi ukuthi uSolomon Zoro uMunyane bekakuphi, uKwinika azokhava leso spaces leyo, umuntu wajika wambhitha and then waconsider a-free kick. But yeah, it's not my lokhunjana my view, just nje ngithola i-comment ngathi let me just do something kule comment le, mekuthiwa u-Inacio Miguel is the best defender laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafowethu. Angazi nina ukuthi ngicabangani, who's the best defender for wena olalele le clip?